Are you guys tired of watching the picture-perfect YouTuber nighttime routine that's filled with candles, fairy lights, and ad placements? Well, you've come to the right place because, girl, I'm about to show you my real nighttime routine featuring my baby chameleon Carl and my snake Waffles. So the first thing that I do when I get home is I do a happy dance, and I accidentally dropped my bag down the stairs. Here I go running after it. So usually when I walk in the door, I walk into a very messy house because in the morning it takes me a long time to get ready, and then I just don't have any time to clean. So after I'm finished looking around the house and feeling like a complete mess, I take off my jacket, and the first thing that I do is say hi to Carl, who doesn't want to say hi to me, and then I say hi to Waffles, who always wants to say hi to me. I then pop my lazy butt on the couch in these weird positions, looking at my phone. I probably do this for like half an hour because, girl, this is how I wind down. I usually just look at weird animal stuff like this. I didn't even know what it was. It was some sort of lizard with a turtle. I don't know. I then felt the urge to double tap. Don't ask me why. And then after that, I will just quickly go through my YouTube video, make sure it's looking cute, make sure the thumbnail's good, and then once I post it, I feel like my night can finally start. I take off my clothes, put on my pajamas, put on my slippers. Then this is when I put Carl to bed. Oh, he's so cute! So the first thing that I do is I take out the bugs in his tank. Don't worry, I'll put little hearts over them so you don't have to actually see them. But I don't like to keep any live animals, bugs, in there just in case they were to bite him, which I don't think they would, but just in case. And then comes the fun part, misting his tank. I actually really enjoy doing this. I don't know why. So the first thing that I do is I put the Reptisafe in there, which gets rid of all the chlorine and all the gross stuff. And I put on my favorite song by Toto called Africa. You guys already know how it is. So for some reason, whenever I spray his tank, he loves to come out and sit on this glass door. I don't know why, he just freaking loves it. He even tries to go to sleep there. But here's some clips of Francesco with Carl while I'm still spraying his tank, doing my thing. This is also the same time when me and Francesco start to argue over who Carl loves more. Because Francesco is 6'2", I'm 5'2". Carl always wants to go on him. They instinctively want to go to the highest tree. So we always argue over it. It's so annoying. So then I decided to go on the couch and be the taller one and see who he chose. See, look, I told you. He told you. Like, Francesco's getting mad.
He doesn't love you, Megan. Don't try.
Come back, Carl. Come back.
He's just looking at you. Oh no, I thought you were taller.
I thought you were taller. And then we put Carl to bed, we turn off his lights, and he looks like he's about to square up. He's really choked. He doesn't want to go to bed, but he has to. Haha. Put it on your blanket, buddy. I normally do it in the morning, but if I don't, I will then make my bed. And then I will put on Steve Irwin and make us dinner. Tonight I'm making a salmon with tomatoes, asparagus, and rice. Girl, you know how it is. I make this meal literally every single day and for every what I eat in a day video at this point. Then when we're eating dinner, we normally watch a movie. So the movie that we picked today was King Arthur, but it sucked. So we turned it off after like 10 minutes. And after dinner, we sometimes play cards, and you got fooled. Look how tiny they are. So we actually got this. I won it when we were playing Christmas crackers at the Christmas party. We often don't do this. We just were doing it for fun. But then we actually really got into it and started playing Crazy Eights. And guess what happened? I won! Sucker! So sometimes, not all the time, because usually snakes like to be left alone. But today I decided to take off the tape that holds him hostage in there because he always tries to escape, and take out Waffles. Look away if you're scared of snakes. He started to choke me here. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Just joking. I know this is gonna make me sound like the biggest weirdo, but it's actually so relaxing to hold a snake because they're just so chill. They just slither, mind their own business. So about once per month, I give Waffles a bath. Yes, I know that sounds weird, giving a snake a bath. But he also had like some stuck shed like right along here, so it was really dry. So I wanted to moisten his skin up and give him a little pamper session. I am not going to lie though, it is hella frustrating trying to give a snake a bath because all they want to do is slither their way out of there. Here's me just spending all of my time just putting him back in the bathtub. And then afterwards I will dry him up and then I put him back in his tank. At around 10 p.m. I need to go to bed. I just get so tired. I try my best to do this every night, but sometimes I don't take off my makeup. But today I was like, girl, I need to get it off. So I use like this cleansing balm to disintegrate all the makeup. Ew. Then I just wash it off, obviously, and then I'll use the Nivea Double Effect Makeup Remover because I still have a bunch on my eyes. Afterwards, I will clean my face with the Klairs Foaming Cleanser. I will tone with the Beauty Water. It's actually gross how much gets left over from your wash. So then I'm going to just moisturize my lips with this lip oil thingy-mabob, I don't know what it's called. Then I will use my eye cream. Try to do that every night, ladies, especially if you're getting around 20 to 30, you're going to start getting wrinkles. And then I use the Klairs Rich Moist Moisturizing Cream, I don't know what it's called. And I put way too much on my hands, I don't know why. So I just put a bunch on my neck and yeah. And then give my good old teeth the good flossaroo, the good toothbrushing. And then I will rinse my mouth with some mouthwash. Ooh, there's a toilet there. Let me just cover that up. Then afterwards, girl, I go to bed. I am so tired. I will just literally sit there scrolling on Instagram. I'll read like your comments on my latest video, especially because VLOGMAS. And then I will clap off my lights. Just joking. I turn them off manually.